Around 52 years of statehood, several unelectrified villages in Meghalaya continue to reel under darkness. Admitting the findings following a recent survey, Power Minister A.T. Mondal said that the state government plans to electrify the unelectrified villages in the state much before 2028. According to him, the department had surveyed the entire state and found that there are a few villages that are yet to be included in the list of unelectrified villages.
Discuss about the issue. He has given a memorandum also. Very soon we'll be discussing all those issues and we'll try to sort out the problem. And if so, we'll try to see that these villages are brought under electrification. We had already surveyed entire state. Tomorrow I'll get exactly whether these villages are listed there or not. See, exactly the figure I cannot say, but we have done the survey already.